Asian stocks down. Following a Wall Street plunge, Asia-Pacific stocks were typically down on Tuesday morning as Era stocks led a Wall Street plunge. Japan's Nikkei 225 fell 1.85% by using 8:45 p.m. ET, 12:45 GMT. South Korea's Kospi fell 1.15%. In Australia, the ASX 200 rose 0.26%. Hong Kong's Hang Seng Index became down 1.21%. China's Shanghai Composite turned into down 0.38%, while the Shenzhen Component became down 0.22%. The S&P 500 eased 1.15% and tech-heavy Nasdaq 100 fell 2.19%, and Era shares led a Wall Street slide, inclusive of a plunge in Twitter Inc. as Elon Musk pulled out of his deal to shop for the company. Treasuries extended gains, taking the U.S. 10-year yields to 2.97%, whilst the dollar held its largest soar in a month toward stages last visible at the peak of the marketplace panic over COVID. Dollar power will no longer only have an effect on this sector's profits, however more likely it's going to have an effect on the revenue generation outlook for the following couple of quarters, and that, I assume, is a large trouble, Bouquet Capital Partners founder and chief funding officer Kimberly Forrest informed. In Asia-Pacific, buyers are worried approximately every other lockdown as Shanghai discovered the first case of the especially infectious BA.5 Omicron subvariant on Sunday. China's Ministry of Finance is thinking about allowing nearby governments to promote 1.5 trillion yuan $220 billion of unique bonds in the second half of this 12 months to shore up the economy. Investors are seeking to the U.S. Consumer Price Index (CPI) for extra clues on the U.S. Federal Reserve's monetary coverage course. Fed Bank of Atlanta President Raphael Bostic said the U.S. economic system can cope with better interest fees and reiterated his support for any other interest rate hike this month.